CyberPowerPC Gamer Mastered GMA6600CPG Gaming PC. Review, unbox and setup and discount. Phenomenal PC for the price. Loaded with quality aftermarket hardware, and I don't see a single proprietary part anywhere. I've built a half dozen desktops in the past, but CyberPower's price can't be beat compared to buying hardware retail and building a system on your own. This is my second CyberPowerPC purchase, and they are reliable builders. Bloatware is minimal, about 10 minutes, and you can rid yourself of the unnecessary software. If you're familiar with configuring fresh builds, that takes a little while, but it takes time even if you built the system yourself. ADATA DDR4 2666, MSI B350M MOBO, Toshiba HDD 2 terabits, Cooler Master Tower. I need to confirm this, with tempered glass sides, tons of fans. They look like 120mm, PS is unknown, but I'll figure out who manufactures it. Even if it's a Rosil, they make solid products. Make sure you update the Intel Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver to version 19.51.11.2, otherwise you may end up with BSODs. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.